Morning. I know, I'll get out of the way in a minute, don't worry. Look, these two are still nesting. And the really exciting thing, hi Rocky, is Dotty. Look at her. So she's got, alright, calm down. She's got 3 eggs underneath her. So I came in yesterday. Oh no, you've been a good mummy. Good girl. Let's let those lot calm down. So yeah, so she's plucked out a few more feathers overnight. There was probably about half as much feathers, half as many. And alright. Anyway, she's been very chirpy. Oh, you can hear her now. Hello. Hi, baby. You're a good girl. Oh, it was strange yesterday when I came down. It looked like she was kind of talking to her eggs. She was putting her beak right sort of down by her chest. And yeah, hopeful for some little Muscovy duck babies. I know. You made some babies. You were like shagging. And then, so the 2 chickens are in there. They're on about 8 eggs between the 2 of them. And then Eva, still busy. She's got 4 eggs. Morning, love. It's kind of cute because she covers them over with straw at night. You want some more straw? I'll go and get some more straw. Or hay, whatever. So yeah, I'm not sure if God, they're so noisy. I'm not sure if Dottie's eggs are going to hatch. Ellie was telling me that, well, Dottie's the one that hatched Ryan, the goose. So she's quite happy to sit on the nest. How they survive, I don't know. Will they survive? Just put this down. Ooh. Yeah, that's not coming out very easily. Anyway. Let's go and give her a little bit more. Morning, boys. Noisy buggers. There you go. I know, don't hiss. There you go. You can use that as well. There we go. Straight away. You're so clever. I know, I'm going to leave you to it now. Here comes Rocky. So yeah, I'm quite proud of all my girls making nests. I know, darling. And there she goes. It's just incredible, that natural instinct to kind of weave bits of straw, bits of twigs in. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, the builders are here. They've been away for a few days. So I'm going to go and make them a coffee. Get this day started. Wait for the ruckus as I walk away. Oh, Dottie! Every time I go to leave, these two go a bit mental. Diego going to fly somewhere? Rocky's coming out. Typical morning down on the farm.